Good morning. Today we will show you the process to drive a motorcycle. Materials: a motorcycle, gasoline for the motorcycle. The motorcycle must be in best conditions. In the first step, we must turn on the motorcycle. In the second step, you must hit the motorcycle for 1 minute.
The third step, we must put the number 1 change and accelerate slowly. In the fourth step, while we go with speed, we decelerate and introduce the number 2 change, and then we accelerate again. In the rest of the change, the previous steps are made consecutively.
When you get to a corner, you must brake and lower the change to accelerate while without damaging the bike.
And we got to the end. Thank you very much for the attention, and I hope you learned to ride a motorcycle. And to the next.